how to make money online as a creator. I have been making money on internet for a long time now, and in this video I will give examples from what I have been doing. So how am I making money online? First, I am selling my own digital products, and that is how I started, and that is also what I think is most fun. So, first of all, I'm making money from selling graphic designs like social media templates and website templates. And I have my own store.ceciliaelise.com. And how did I start? First, I joined a lot of Facebook groups. Facebook groups were great then some years ago, and they are still great for market research and for promoting your products. So I joined a lot of Facebook groups and I read what they were discussing and asking there, and that way I figured out what people demanded, and I started to create products to solve the problems I saw. Those Facebook groups were also great for finding an audience for my videos and my content. And then I started creating videos and I started my own blogs and website, and I realized that it was a great idea to also apply to some affiliate programs. I am using some products every day, for example my camera and search engine optimization tools and graphic design tools. So I applied to the affiliate programs for those products, and now affiliate marketing is a substantial part of my income every month. And in addition to this, I have also added services and custom-made products. One reason for doing this is that it is a kind of market research. That way I learn what new products to create, and it can sometimes be a bit lonely to be a content creator, so it's great to have customers. It will force you to stay edgy. And for me, having fun has also to do with being edgy, that I'm feeling that I am doing something differently than my competition. Find something that everyone is saying and doing and try to say something different, maybe even a complete opposite, but which makes much more sense. That way you can be inventive and show the way to different ways of doing things. Of course, I'm not saying that you shall reinvent the wheel. What I mean is do market research, look at successful companies, look at successful content creators and start doing what they are doing. Success lives close, but do it a little bit differently. Find your competitive edge, do it better.